Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change sale price color from, for example, black to red. And to do this you will need to enter the code to your Shopify. So first of all, you're going to go to your Shopify, you go to online store and themes, and then you're going to click these three dots on your current theme and you're going to click edit code. Now you need to find a code called component price. Let's enter it, this one. And now you will need to enter the code at the bottom right there. So you will go to pasta bin and you're going to copy this code. Now you go back to your store and you're going to enter the code right there. Like so. And now, as you can see, this is the color of the price item. Now you go to Google and you can enter this code right here. And it's now, for example, yellow. If you want for it to be red, you just make this color picker there and you copy this code right here. Again, go back here and change this code to the red one. Now you're gonna save it. And let's preview the store. And now, as you can see, the sale price is now red. So yeah, guys, that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.